Hi there, and welcome to the Event Marketing Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive event marketing plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout the step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, prepare. And here, your first step is to conduct a maturity assessment, followed by developing an event marketing strategy, documenting event manager responsibilities, and contracting an event management partner. In stage 2, we're going to focus on the event marketing plan. And here it's going to start by building your webinar program, creating your trade show plan, and then organizing conferences that you are hosting. In stage 3, we're going to move into promoting your events. And here, your one and only step is to build an event promotions plan. For stage 4, we're going to execute and attend events. And here, the first step is to establish a code of conduct policy, capture leads at trade shows, and then evaluate trade shows to report back. Stage 5 is about following up on events. And here, your one and only step is to perform a lead scoring analysis. Stage 6 is your last and final stage, and here we're going to be measuring results. And your one and only step here is to build an event marketing dashboard. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Event Marketing Plan Framework. Succeed with event marketing by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.